have the portion of the one in action the lowest. If we have 1 to 10, that's 1 kill, have 10 wounded in action. Now, in case of Russians, in case of 10 casualties, it will be 5 wounded in against the Russia's invasion to the civilized world, including the NATO member nations, and we are kind of the living shield. We are defending this. So if come to the NATO member countries, or when he will do that. I don't believe that I know everything of the United States not searching, and the families are not searching for an answer to this complicated question. Nobody knows the cost of that question. Whether the United States is the
supporting the military. Now, if those religious actors, if they're willing to do that, we are kind of considering every single question. We do not believe that these are major challenges because we are having meetings. And if you have a regular meetings, if you have a regular dialogue, all the big challenges, they kind of remain within this moment. And in many cases, we solve those challenges, but they're not catastrophic, they're not tragic for the country and for the religious unity that we have in Ukraine. And we are open to all those ceremonies around the Pope Francis. So Sviatoslav went there, went to Rome. He needs that's correct, and I'm also planning together with my wife to have a visit. We'll have several meetings around this.